Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Chevy Equinox LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in outstanding shape. Vehicle only has 4,000 miles on it. It's a 2021, rear parking sensors, backup camera, upgraded wheels, all original from Chevy. Let's go ahead and take a closer look and we'll take it panel by panel. Okay, front bumper's in beautiful condition, very nice shape. Take a look at those lenses on the bottom, very nice. The one on the top, also in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape, very nice condition. Front bumper's in really nice shape. Take a look at this lens, also in beautiful condition. Take a look at the bottom one, also in outstanding condition. Very nice. All right, we're looking at the front fender on the passenger side. Fender's in great shape, very nice. It's got a little blemish here on the paint. A couple little blemishes here also on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the passenger door in the front, looks good, very nice condition. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice, really in great shape. Taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side, very nice condition overall, looks good, really in great shape. Let's take a look at those moldings. Chrome moldings are in great shape, look at that, very nice. Take a look at the mirror here. Mirror's in beautiful condition, really great shape. Okay, the quarter panel on the passenger side looks good, clean throughout, very nice condition. Super clean. Walk around the back to the back bumper. Back bumper looks good. Really great shape. Lights are in beautiful condition. Very nice. Rear glass is in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at that close up. Very nice. The lower bumper does have parking sensors, and there's some scuffs here on the lower bumper. Let's try to take a close look there. It's got some scuffs there on that lower bumper there. Besides that, looks good. Okay, quarter panel on the driver's side. Looks good, very nice condition. There's a couple little marks here on the paint, nothing major. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Looks good. Very nice shape. It's got a couple little blemishes here on the edge of the door. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the front door, driver's side. It's got a little blemish here on the paint and here. Besides that, looks good. Mirror looks good, very nice. It does have a couple little chip marks on it. Nothing major. Very nice condition overall. Front fender on the driver's side has a little blemish on the paint here and here. Besides that, looks good. Another little mark right there. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in nice shape. Looks good. Very nice condition. It's got a couple little marks here in the front. A couple chip marks here in the front. On the paint, nothing major. Very nice condition. Windshield's in great shape. Does have some chip marks on it, as you can see there. A couple little chip marks. When you're inside the vehicle, you don't see it that much. Out here, you could actually see it. So it does have a couple little chip marks on this side, on the driver's side. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look on top. The roof looks nice, really in great shape. Give it a quick walk around here. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our walk around. It's in really nice condition on the outside. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. So stay tuned. We're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. The controls for the windows and the mirrors. power trunk, power hatch. You can open it from here. Very nice. Really in beautiful condition. Taking a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing shape. Very nice condition. Rubber floor mats, full set of rubber floor mats all the way around. Really in great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really in great shape. Look at that. Let's take a look at the passenger seat. Beautiful condition throughout. Seat's in really great shape. Full set of floor mats, rubber floor mats. Very nice. Dashboard, steering wheel looks brand new. Very nice condition. We're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Really in outstanding condition. Very nice. Look at that. Rear seat's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats. It's got 2 USB plugs there. A couple AC vents back here. Really nice. Take a look at the liner. Liner looks beautiful. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seat. Also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this Equinox. We're going to go ahead and start it up. This vehicle does have a push button start. This is the key fob for it. So as long as the key fob's in the vehicle, it will start right up. So let's go ahead and start this baby up. You got to press the brake, and then it has the start buttons down here. Starts up perfect, no issues at all. Very nice. Now let's take a look at some of the features on this one, but first let's look at the miles. This one has 4,634 miles. As you can see, very nice. Okay, now this one does have a couple features here. Let's look at the features on the steering wheel. It's got the collision assist, so you go ahead and press this here, and you can set it up for a different distance. There you go. And then it also has the lane alert, which that's the bottom one there. It lets you know when somebody's in the lane next to you, which is really nice. This is for the information center that's on the dash here on top. So you can scan through it. It shows you the tire pressure sensors, all the good stuff there. Fuel range, trip computers, miles per gallon. It's got a timer you can build in there. Very nice. Okay, so let's take a look at something else here. We're looking at the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic lights. This is for the collision assist we just talked about, the information center. This one does have Bluetooth and everything, so you can pair your phone. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Very nice, look at that. Really in outstanding shape. Okay. And it has dual controls here, so you can control the temperature on the passenger side and on the driver's side separately, which is really cool. Up above here, that's for the radio. Let's go back to home screen if you can see everything. Audio, phone, Wi-Fi settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. So let's go and visit every single page. That's the audio page. So you click more, and then it shows you there XM radio, Bluetooth, AM, FM. Go back again. Click more again. Go back there. Go to home. Telephone, that's to pair your phone. You can pair your phone there, very nice. Back again. For the Wi-Fi settings. Home again. Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay, you got to plug in your phone with your wire onto the USB. Android Auto, same thing, you got to plug it in. OnStar, very nice. Look at the dashboard, looks brand new, really in outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Automatic transmission, beautiful shape there. It's really nice. Up above here, you got a couple courtesy lights here. They're really nice. OnStar's up there. Shows you when the airbag's off for the passenger. Sunglass holder there. Really nice. Okay guys, so stay tuned. We're going to take a test drive in a moment. Set ticket for a test drive. We already have it in gear, so we're just waiting for the light to change. Drive smooth. Okay, we're going to check the brakes now. We're going to turn. Very nice. Brakes nice. Turns easy. Very good. Check the brakes real quick here. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and check the backup camera and conclude the test drive. There you go. So you put the vehicle in reverse. Automatically the backup camera turns on. And then whichever way you're rolling with the steering wheel, it rolls back. There you go. Perfect. That's it. Okay, and then this one has parking sensors in the back, so it lets you know as you're getting close to something. Those little lights will come on and let you know you're getting close to something. The closer you get, the more little lights you'll be getting. There you go. Well, that concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and take a look at those tires. Okay, let's test out the rear door. So all you got to do is tap the little button here or on the remote, and the door will open up automatically. Very nice. Let's take a look at the interior here. Really nice cargo space here. Super clean. Look at that. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Let's go ahead and take a look at beneath. Beneath has a little storage container there. Storage area there. You can put your bags in there, your book bag, your laptop or whatever. Nobody sees it. And then beneath that, you see the spare tire. And under the spare tires, all the tools. Very nice. It's got a little hiding space there. Perfect. Looks brand new. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great condition. Very nice. Really in great shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks brand new. Look at that. really in outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the driver's side, very nice condition. Look at that. Beautiful shape. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Look at that. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Look at that tire. Beautiful condition. Really in outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Look at that. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Look at that. Outstanding condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Chevy Equinox LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. Backup camera, backup sensors. Really in beautiful shape. About 4,000 miles on it. Really in beautiful condition. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. Thanks for watching.